2014 Contenders. Hold on 1 second. There's a little glare coming off the table there, off the lighting. This is by far one of my favorite products in 2014. A lot of good hits in here, a lot of good stuff. Lots and lots of good stuff. Box. Here we go. You can get some monsters in here for sure. Stephen Ridley. Yep, you can get some surefire monsters. Odell, Carr, Bridgewater, Evans, Watkins, Benjamin. I mean, just tons. Rookie of the Year, Marquise Lee. Kid reporters are no good anymore. Should get 5 hits, sometimes 6. Frank Gore. I forget Jimmy Garoppolo is in here also. Week 1 starter. This is a Moncrief draft class. Supposed to be good this year. Colts are loaded with wide receivers. A lot of young talent there. Zach Stacy, Dwayne Bowe, Josh McCown, whatever happened to him. Oh boy. Panini points. Panini points, 150 points. So that means you're going to get probably 5 hits. There is a touchdown tandem, Aaron Rodgers, Jordy Nelson. Insert. Yeah, usually when you get a Panini Points Rewards card, you usually get 5 hits. 2 on card, 3 being non-on card. Vernon Davis. Of course, you can get Super Bowl tickets, championship tickets, playoff tickets, all good stuff. Torrey Smith. There's a Danny Amendola, Greg Olson, Reggie Bush. Here's a Moncrief and Terrence West. Round numbers. Jordy Nelson, Cecil Shorts III, Victor Cruz, Brian Turn On Your Heartline, Alex Smith. You got LaShawn McCoy, which is now a Buffalo Bill, DeMarco Murray, which is now an Eagle, Andre Ellington. Here is a Brian Hoyer. First hits. Say Richard Rogers, rookie ticket auto. He's supposed to be pretty good for the pack this year. It's a nice hit there. I'm just going to top load these as we go along. Richard Rogers. There we go. Antonio Brown, one of the best wide receivers in the league, I think. Russell Wilson just got the big contract, $60 million guaranteed. Money Mike. Andy Dalton. Alshon Jeffrey. Drew Brees. Joey Flacco. There's number 7, Gino. Roddy White. And this is a parallel. That's nice. Jordan Matthews, numbered to 199. 149 of 199. Pretty nice hit there. He's supposed to do big things for them. Still looking for our on-card autos. Marquise Golston. Steve Smith Jr. Here's a Mike Wallace. Trent Richardson, I don't know what happened to him. And a Brandon Cooks, Rookie of the Year. Insert. Okay. Maurice Jones-Drew, MJD. Malcolm Floyd. Vincent Jackson, Peyton Manning, and Shady McCoy, MVP. Still looking for at least 3 hits. Trying to get some mojo. Aaron Rodgers. Eric Decker, Sam Bradford, Luke Kuechly, and Cody Latimer draft class. Supposed to do big things for the Broncos. Here is a Julio, Megatron, Eli. Got a Buffalo Bills hit. Ryan Tannehill. Looks like a Sammy Watkins. Very nice. Sammy Watkins. Very, very nice card there. Just gonna top load it. Sammy Watkins. There's one of our on cards. That's a nice one. Next pack. Nate Washington, Andre Johnson, Andrew Luck, Carson Palmer, touchdown tandems, Megatron and Matt Stafford. Insert. Nice Sammy. Sometimes these packs don't want to give, and I don't like to force them. We go Marshawn Lynch, Jimmy Graham, Ben Tate, Monty Ball, AJ Green. One of my favorites. The guy's a beast. Okay, we go Big Ben Parliament, Mark Ingram, Matt Ryan, Tony Romo. Here we've got a round numbers Kadeem Carey, DeAnthony Thomas. It's a non-parallel. It's just an insert, but nonetheless, it's a great card. Here we go. Robert Griffin. Dwayne Bowe. That is a Josh McCown. It's a Demarius Thomas. Who do we got? Allen Robinson. Variation 1. Allen Robinson. Variation 1. That is a nice card there too. He is highly touted out of Jacksonville right now. This is the one guy they are high on. Marquise Lee being another, but this guy's, they say, has been standing out above the rest. It's Allen Robinson on card. Two pretty good on card autos here. Couldn't be more happy than that. Still got 4 packs left. Still looking for at least one more hit. Matt Schaub, Cam Newton, EJ, Brandon Marshall, another Packer, Jared Abbrederis. Jared Abbrederis, and it's the variation number. Notice the 84 is on the bottom. That is his jersey number. That is a variation. That's a short print. So that is bonus. That is a bonus. Anybody on the Packers organization is nice to have with Aaron Rodgers at the helm, for sure. Jared Abbrederis. Okay, how many packs left? 3. Okay. Chris Avery. Jay Cutler. Colin Kaepernick, Vernon Davis, Tony Dorsett, insert. Greg Jennings band. Here is a Jake Locker, Arian Foster, D-Jack, and Tavon Austin. Last pack. This is a pretty good box, I think. Here's Le'Veon Bell, Tom Brady, Deflate Gate. Matt Stafford. We got another hit. We have another hit. It is Ruben Randall, EJ Gaines. EJ Gaines. Looks like the old school Rams throwback jersey. It's actually one of his nicer autographs, believe it or not. He scribbles the gains on the bottom, usually. EJ Gaines. EJ Gaines, everybody. Recap the hits. EJ Gaines. Jared Abbrederis. Allen Robinson. Sammy. And Richard Rodgers. Alright, everybody, that's it. Awesome. And the Panini points. Awesome. Thanks.